My name is Julian Andrea Chavarria Guzman. When did this vacation take place? The holidays were on March 15. What place or city did you visit? Went to visit the island of San Andres? What means of transport did you use to get there? What travel be planned? What accompanied him? My mother and my brothers. What activities did you do? What visited my island? What also went giving an acte typical food? What made this vacation memorable for you? I traveled with my family and went to some very beautiful place. What habit did you usually have when you went on vacation? And how did this vacation differ from others? I always packed my weekends and the last minute and of this vacation everything was very planned. Time well had an itinerary.